Good morning all, welcome to our channel. Making a leather bag can be fun and rewarding project for beginners. So in this video we will show you how to turn a piece of leather into a lady's tote bag. We recently visited my family and took some leather with us. We created our own bags, but also took the time to teach some of the family members how to hand sew their own bags. Now these family members are total newbies. They've never even touched a needle. They don't know what leather is all about, and they've obviously never made their own handbag. But I think we succeeded and ended up with a pretty nice product at the end of the day. So I started by walking them through the steps from beginning to end and showed them how I saddle stitch by hand. Saddle stitch for me is very enjoyable. I really enjoy how it focuses my mind on a particular thing and really calms my thoughts, takes me away from all the day-to-day problems that is running wild. So a saddle stitch is using 2 needles at a time and then repeat the process over and over and over until you have a muscle memory, and by that time you will be able to do it quite fast. So muscle memory also allows you to be consistent with your motions, how you pass the needle through the holes, the amount of tension you apply, and then the direction you move your hands after pulling the thread through this hole. All of these combined will give you an even looking sewing line and increase the value of your project. We started off with this piece of leather. This was obviously pre-cut, and I also cut in the holes for the handles. We then applied a hydrophobic agent onto the leather on the flesh side of it, just to prevent any moisture from seeping through to the grain side. Once that was done, we showed them how to put in the pocket. As you can see, you have 2 students. They are really working hard. You can see that the fingers are working. They've got the pliers in order not to hurt their fingers when they pull the thread through. Very important. You can also use some small leather cuttings that you can wrap around your fingers in order for the needle pressure to be a little bit less. It does feel quite painful after you've done a days of sewing, as anybody can tell. You've just started off on this beautiful project. So slowly but surely they're going through the motions. You can see there's always support coming in from a family, just seeing what they are doing. It seems that they were having a lot of fun, which is obviously what it's all about. You don't want to take it too seriously, but it's good to feel that you've actually created something. Yeah, you can see all 3 of them hanging on the wall. I think it was quite a nice project for them, and I hope they take some good memories with them, and maybe we've convinced a few more people to start the leathercraft business. Because as most of you know, it's something that's really enjoyable, and if you can make some money on the side, why not? Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let's ask you to subscribe, like this channel, and we'll be adding more videos as we go along on this journey of ourselves coming from newbies into hopefully one day selling our own fashion brand.